G'day folks, welcome to the show. Just a quick one tonight, so let's get started. I don't often do mail arrivals, but I've got a special one here. Some of you may know this single trademark, so we're going to hook into it and see what's inside. I'm going to put some sunglasses on so I can see what's in the box. No, it's still too bright. Give me a second. Righto, we'll give this a crack. Wow, check it out. That's a present from Eric at Krakens Garage. Damn. So I guess I need to take off the old hat, put on the new hat, and check it out. This is a bit of a straight brim one. I've never had one like that before, so watch the flare off the cranium. What do you think? Thumbs up? Thumbs down? Yeah, no. Thumbs up from me. Thank you, Eric. Appreciate that so much. There's also a envelope in here with the Kraken seal on here, so we'll have a little look in here. Excellent, excellent, excellent. A bit of swag, some stickers. Fantastic. A magnet. And put that straight up here on the done. Some more upside down, Miss Jane. Some more stickers. And a key ring. So that's pretty cool. Thank you, thank you. There's a personal note here. I won't read that out, but thank you, Eric. I really appreciate that. Love the new cap, mate. I'll wear that with pride all the way here on the other side of the world. Thank you again, and to everybody else, thank you so much for joining us tonight. We're out of here. I'm going to go and have a beer with my new cap. Cheers. Let's go.